you guys are new to the channel, my name is Austin and welcome to the Powerstroke YouTube channel. If you guys don't know, I have a purple Powerstroke. It's been missing for about 2 weeks. Not like stolen or anything. I was in an accident. You guys can check out the video from last week. I'll put it up in that little thing up here somewhere. And you guys can go watch that one and find out exactly what happened. I got pretty creative with some Hot Wheels. But anyways, I thought I'd show you guys that the truck is back. I got it plugged in because it's gonna be pretty cold, and as you guys saw earlier, this thing was hard to start just a little bit ago. So the truck was gone for a total of 2 weeks. I was on vacation last week, so I didn't even get to pick it up until Friday night, which was a little bit of a bummer because I did miss driving it. It actually would have been really nice to take to the coast. Could have taken the quads up to the dunes, but that's not how things worked out. But we got the truck back. I'm happy it's back in one piece, and you know, honestly guys, I'm really impressed with the wheel. So here is, wait, this is, which side hit? Wasn't this side. So here you guys go. This is the brand new Anthem Gunner. It's a 20x12 with the silver face. I'll link it down in the description below. And they are wrapped in Toyo Proxy STs. 2 brand new ones for the rears, so it does not mess up the rear end on this truck. Now the super bummer part is it took 2 weeks to do that. What? When it comes to insurance, shipping times, all that kind of stuff, it always gets a little bit messy. So I'm not going to give it too hard of a time. Anthem takes a week to get their wheels out, and I know that by experience. I've bought 2 sets of wheels from them, so not too surprised there. But I was a little disappointed when it took another full week just to get the tire mounted to the wheel. Just to give you guys something real quick, I basically hit the curb going 45 sideways with the passenger side rear wheel, and it took, I mean, all of the damage. I mean, the axle is fine. They did a test on that. The tire had a belt that might have been a little iffy, so they just switched out the tires. But the wheel, I mean, it was cracked and bent, but it didn't lose air. I gotta really say, Anthem, your quality is impeccable. So the other guy is definitely at fault, but I still had to pay my deductible. They're gonna pay me back, but that's just gonna put off injectors for a little while. I was hoping that I'd be able to get them next month, but it's looking like early next year I'll be able to finally do injectors on this bad boy. We're looking at 205/80. I decided to go up a little bit just to get that little bit of extra horsepower. We should be pushing about 500 horsepower to the wheels on this truck. To say the least, I'm very excited to get to that number. We will be doing dynos, we will be doing drag racing, all that fun stuff, but it's just gonna be put off for a little while. So I've just been kind of brainstorming, trying to figure out what I can do in the meantime to the truck, and I was thinking maybe we do the roll pan, maybe we finally wrap this ugly bumper. Definitely gonna get the dent out of the door. We got a few different things that we're gonna do to the truck before we do injectors, but just so you guys know, they are on the way, and I'm very excited. A really short, informative video, nothing too crazy, but we'll be getting to the fun stuff very soon. I just needed to get through this whole accident thing and get that settled first. So thank you guys for watching, sticking through with all the lame stuff to get to the good stuff. I really appreciate you guys so much. So if you guys want to get a KC Turbo, like if you guys are looking into that, if you're new to the videos and you've been looking for a turbo, definitely head over to kcturbos.com, use promo code Powerstroke for 5% off any KC Turbos product. So thank you guys again so much, and I'll see you guys in the next week. Next week, not in the next week, that's weird, sorry.